Hey Nina. It's been ages since we last talked. How have you been? Lisa. I know, it's been way too long. I've been good, just super busy with life. How about you? Same here. Work has been crazy, and time just flies by. What have you been up to? Well, I've been focusing a lot on my fitness lately. I joined a new gym and started a yoga class. It's been really refreshing. That sounds awesome. I've been thinking about getting back into yoga too. How are the classes? They're great. The instructor is amazing, and I've noticed a big difference in my flexibility and stress levels. You should definitely give it a try. I will. I could use some stress relief. Work has been pretty intense. We're launching a new project next month, and it's all hands on deck. That sounds exciting but stressful. What's the new project about? It's a new app for managing personal finances. We've been working on it for almost a year, and it's finally coming together. I'm just hoping everything goes smoothly. I'm sure it will. You've always been great at what you do. Speaking of projects, I've been working on something too. I've started writing a blog. Really? That's fantastic. What's your blog about? It's a lifestyle blog. I write about fitness, healthy eating, and self-care. It's something I'm really passionate about, and it's been a great creative outlet. That's amazing, Nina. I'd love to read it. Send me the link. I've been looking for some new healthy recipes and fitness tips. I will. I'm actually working on a post about quick and healthy breakfast ideas. I'll make sure to share it with you once it's up. I can't wait to check it out. So, have you traveled anywhere recently? Not recently, but I did go on a weekend getaway to the countryside a few weeks ago. It was so peaceful and relaxing. What about you? Any travel plans? Not at the moment, but I'm thinking about taking a trip to the beach once this project is over. I could use some sun and sand. That sounds perfect. A beach trip would be so refreshing. Which beach are you thinking of? I'm thinking about going to the Outer Banks. I've heard it's beautiful, and it's not too far from here. I've been there a couple of times. You'll love it. The beaches are gorgeous, and there is so much to do. I'm really looking forward to it. So, how's your family? Everyone doing well. They're all good, thanks. My sister just had a baby, so I'm officially an aunt now. It's been so exciting. That's great to hear. It's wonderful when parents can finally relax and enjoy life. So, have you seen any good movies or read any good books lately? I just finished a great book called The Silent Patient. It's a psychological thriller, and I couldn't put it down. As for movies, I watched the new Marvel movie. It was really entertaining. I've heard about The Silent Patient. It's on my reading list. And I love Marvel movies. Which one did you watch? It was Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. The special effects were incredible, and the story was so gripping. I need to watch that. I'm a huge fan of Doctor Strange. Thanks for the recommendation. Anytime. So, any big plans for the weekend? Not really. I'm planning to just relax, maybe do some writing and catch up on some shows. What about you? Pretty much the same. I might go for a hike if the weather's nice. I've been trying to spend more time outdoors. That's a great idea. Fresh air and nature are so rejuvenating. Where do you usually go hiking? There is a beautiful trail about half an hour from my place. It's not too challenging, but the views are amazing. It's my go-to spot for a quick escape. That sounds lovely. I should join you sometime. I've been meaning to get back into hiking. I'd love that. It would be great to catch up while enjoying nature. Let's plan it soon. Definitely. Let's do it. I've missed hanging out with you. Me too, Nina. We should make more time for this. Life gets so busy, but it's important to stay connected. Absolutely. Let's not let so much time pass before our next chat. This has been really nice. Agreed. I'm really glad we could catch up today. Take care, Nina. You too, Lisa. Talk soon. Bye. Nina, bye.